Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KelcieJanay, and today we are checking out my June Cocotique bag. Y'all, they gave us some really good stuff this month. Like the past 2 months they've been giving us that Dove, and I've just been so sad about it because me and Dove hair products do not get along at all. So, but this month they gave us Twisted Sister hair products, 5 full-size hair products from that line. So I'm just like, okay, y'all, it's really worth the money. Let's just jump right into it. The first product is the Twisted Sister Luxurious Clarifying Shampoo. It cleanses, hydrates, and nourishes your hair strands. It also has coconut, avocado, and almond oils. And like I said, these are full-size products, y'all. The second product is also by Twisted Sister, but I'm guessing it's like another line that they are coming out with. It's actually called Urban Therapy, and this is the Innate Instant Hydrating Conditioner. So I'm guessing you're supposed to pair it with the shampoo that I just showed y'all. It is infused with mineral rich Hawaiian deep sea water, bamboo, and coconut oil, scented with lemongrass. Y'all, that's a lot. Mineral rich Hawaiian deep sea water. Okay. Did they go to Hawaii to get this? So the next product is also by the also by Twisted Sister, but it's the Urban Therapy collection. It is anti-frizz straightening cream, and it is also infused with the rich Hawaiian deep sea water, bamboo, and coconut oil, scented with lemongrass. This is actually a cream if you wanted to flat iron your hair. I probably won't be using this cream anytime soon, but I mean, I'm glad I got it, so whenever I need it, I'll be able to use it. The next product is also the same line. It's Urban Therapy Anti-Frizz Texture Cream. And for this cream, it basically is supposed to eliminate your frizz. If you have curls, waves, pretty much any type of hair texture is supposed to eliminate your frizz. So this one is also Urban Therapy. It's a fix hold mist, pretty much like a spritz type thing. It is supposed to hold your hair in place. I guess like if you are having some type of hairstyle where you need it to stay in place. So this will be the product that you will use. So that is the 5 hair products that they put in our bag this month. They also gave us a facial wash. It is the Freshma facial wash, and it is the honey and lemon kind. We've had a facial wash by this brand before, but I think it was like a spinach or kale. Yeah, it was a kale one, and it was really good. So I'm super excited to try this face wash, and it is supposed to purify and heal the skin, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory products, or properties. So it's really good for your skin, especially if you have breakouts and stuff. The next product is from Kiss. It is the Glow and Bronze Cream. So pretty much like a bronzer, or you can probably use it as a you know, y'all know I do not know much about makeup, okay? Whenever I do my makeup, somehow it just come out good. I don't really know what I be doing, okay? If y'all know what it is, then y'all know what it is, okay? So yeah. The next product is a mascara. Y'all, I love mascaras because I don't have nobody eyelashes. My real eyelashes are like so sparse and so thin, so whenever I get a good mascara, I try to hold on to it, even though my lashes still don't act right. Whatever, that's why I be wearing fake eyelashes whenever I be putting my makeup on. But this is the volumizing waterproof mascara by Kiss. Last but not least, we have the After Spa facial roller. It is supposed to decrease the puffiness in your eyes, and Lord knows I need one of these. I don't know if it's gonna really work good, but I'm gonna try it. So I don't know. I'll let y'all know. I'll keep y'all updated on this one. But yeah, so this is the last product we got in our bag. So all together, y'all, we got 9 products. That includes those 5 full-size hair products from Twisted Sister or Urban Therapy. I'm so excited to use those products. Well, I probably won't be able to use all of them because some of those don't really apply to me right now. But whenever I get ready to use them, I will definitely let y'all know how they work. Other than that, bye y'all.